So good day everyone. So our product class is squashing. So problem statement. Underutilization of squash harvest. So many farmers experience surplus squash during peak seasons. So excess produce often spoils due to low demand and lack of proper storage facilities. So this results in income loss and food waste. So ang causes diyan is overproduction. So ang causes maungging utilize or ang innovate this one squash. So problem statement. So underutilization of squash harvest. So it's because many farmers experience surplus squash during peak season. So excess produce often spoils due to low demand and lack of proper storage facilities. So this results in income loss and food waste. So the reasons behind why squash ang utilize is because para ma-utilize niya. So ang causes din is because overproduction during the peak season, limited ang processing facilities, low market price of fresh squash, lack of value-added products, and poor post-harvest handling. So the solution is transforming the squash to squash chicharon or squashing a crispy, nutritious, and affordable snack alternative made from fresh squash slices. So this value-added product para ma-reduce ang food waste, ma-increase ang farmer income, and ma-promote po ang healthier snack options.
Description. So our squashing is a crispy squash-based snack made from thinly sliced squash, seasoned and deep fried or vacuum fried to achieve a crunchy texture. So among squashing is rich in vitamin A, high in fiber, affordable and locally sourced, a healthier alternative to pork chicharron. So available in flavor original, cheese, spicy, barbecue. So our target beneficiaries is squash farmers, local entrepreneurs, students and snack consumers, health conscious and individuals at local communities.
Good afternoon everyone. So this is the potential impact of our product. So first is environment and reduce agricultural waste, promote sustainable food processing. Next is economic. Adds value to low-cost squash, creates livelihood opportunities, generates additional farmer income. Third is social, provides healthier snack choices, encourages supports for local products. And fourth, culture and tourism can be sold as local delicacy, promotes local agricultural products. So, squashing business model kanina. So, the first is customer segment. So, wala ang mga target sa mga banos target sa mga ganyan sa mga business, sa students, mga snack lovers, health conscious consumers, of course, apil ang health conscious consumers is naman siya mga vitamins and nutrition snack. Next is local market buyers and online buyers. Second, value proposition. Healthy alternative to pork chicharron, affordable, locally produced, crispy and flavorful. Next channels, direct selling, school and community, social media, local stores and market schools. Customers relationship, discounts for bulk purchases, so ang atong maligyo o mga big orders o nasa may discounts, free taste during lunching, social media engagement. Next is key activities, procurement of squash, slicing and seasoning, sun drying 2 to 3 days, frying and packaging, marketing and selling. Key resources, fresh squash supply, equipment, slicer, fryer, seller, packaging materials and labor. So the key partners are squash farmers, of course, LGU, DTI, DOST and local suppliers. Cost structure, Fixed cost, ang equipment, ang registration, din ang labor. Variable cost, of course, ang gasto, squash, raw materials, seasonings, packaging, and utilities. And last is revenue streams, sales of squash packs, bulk orders, and special flavor editions.
First question is, why did you choose this product?
Okay. Ganun ang mo choose tungod kay it's nutritious and of course, amo po nakita sa lalo na sa mga bata gani nga dili mo ka gulay. So mo na amo na siya di bukat. Mo na ang problema mo nakita. So mo lang choose niya.
Okay, second question. What inspired your group to create this product?
Can you repeat?
What inspired your group to create this product?
What inspired your
What
inspired? So, we created this product because na-inspire me nga na-inspire me nga mag-create yung nutritious nga mga snacks. So, however, ma'am, aside sa nutritious snacks, inspired me mag-create yun noon sa may yung tao na masaya kaya mga squash. Of course, kanang over ang nag-ulo sa squash, of course, masaya man sila. So, na-inspired me nga, kung nanong ilabay man ang kanang mga na-overproduce ng mga squash, at alam mo i-innovate ito ka ng food snacks.
Okay, next question. How can you generate profit?
Project. So we can sell them through online platform like social media and also sa kanila media and sa mga transport.
Okay. How can you help the environment?
Okay. Asa sa bukid o kumingon din naman mga makahelp with environment ang mga project. So ang muna kita mo isang ngunit overproduce mo siya ma'am. So makakatag siya ka ng waste sa kanang environment sa kong palibot. So asa di mahimo sa kanang sa of course malata man siya. So may siya fertilizer. However ma'am dugay pa sa malata di siya sa may fertilizer. So nakadali mo idea, innovation pa may mo siya kaning food snack nutritious.
Okay. What difficulties did your group encounter during its preparation?
So daghan may mga difficulties lalo na kay sa squash, di ba lisod kaayo na siya kay lindoan pa kwang liso, labi na sa pagpaning kay di ba na kwan nga gahi siya. Yan, ano na encounter yung mga
If given additional funding, what part of the project will you improve first?
So if agad may chance, agad may fund is among utilize is kanang mo invest sa dehydrator kay para mas gana ang quality sa bilas ang product. And also pag kato sa bilang sa ugan nga packaging kay para mas convincing o gapiling siya sa ugan dahil siya mga market.
That will be all. Thank you.